Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix an error where it says, oops, where's my test window? That simply means that you just need to disable your pop-ups. So when we do that, you're going to type in Chrome://settings/content/pop-ups. Okay, so that is what I pushed right there, Chrome://settings/content/pop-ups. We can always send that to you in the chat if you ask for it, or you can just type it as you see it there. And then what you need to do is, here where we have allow, you need to make sure that you have the map test nwea.org added on as an allowed. If it's not listed under allow, you push add, and then you would type in, let's see, star dot, and then the other bracket, star dot bracket map nwea.org, and then push add, and it should add it right there for you. I hope that helps.